What is up, everybody? Today we're back with another video on my channel. This is PugJace just signing in. This is Warmple behind me, who got me all this stuff. And I also have some lightsaber chopsticks. Yeah, that's cool. So today we are going to be taste testing these two gummy sushi and noodles. So this is going to be kind of fun. Our first thing, we have our mini gummy sushi. This is a nigiri. This is also a nigiri. Or no, this might be a tempura. I think this is a tempura. And then this is a wasabi roll, is what I like to call it. And let's just get to opening this. Okay, so we have just opened them, as you can see right here on my plate. And we're going to start with, I think we're going to start with this one right here. I don't know how to use chopsticks that well, so we might just pick them up with our hands, but these are really cool. Okay. Oh my gosh! That's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. Oh my god. That's so good. Okay, so 1 second. So in the middle it's like a marshmallow. And it's very, very vibrant. And then on the outside it's like, if you've ever heard of an Airhead Extreme, it's exactly like that, but like a cherry version. Yeah, I think I'm gonna finish this. Oh my god. So good. Our next one we are going to try is, I think this one, the Promising Fish. This is, well, fish on a little white thing. I actually guys gotta try this, so let's bite it. Oh my gosh! It's like a gummy worm fish. It's orange. It's very very orangey tasty. And I'm gonna finish this as well. Okay, and finally, our wasabi roll. I don't think it's really made out of wasabi, but this is actually a double-decker roll. This one looks really cool. There's like a thing inside. I think this is like the fish eggs that are like salty on top. I'm not sure. I believe though. So this is gonna be interesting. Let's try it. Oh my god. There's jelly inside of this thing in the middle. There's like, if you guys can see that, there's literally jelly inside of it. That's so good. Once again, I'm gonna finish this. Oh, I also forgot to say, the texture is crunchy, like, amazing. The flavor is like, pineapple and green apple, I think, which is, very strange combo, but yet very tasty. And, yeah, very good. Where'd you get a lightsaber, Cornball? Okay. Well, Sim, we're not done yet. Oh, he just dropped his lightsaber. We are not done yet. We have noodles here that actually include candy shrimps, candy noodles, candy vegetables, and candy eggs. Sounds very healthy. So yeah, let's just open this little like Japanese takeout box. Oh, there we go. Ooh, as I suspected, it is in a little packy, and I'm going to unwrap that and put it on my plate so I can eat it. Okay, so now we are doing the noodles. So what this includes is an egg, a shrimp, and 2 vegetables, which this is a pepper, and this is a chili. I'm scared to try this. So, let's begin. Why do you keep getting lightsabers? I'm going to use my hands, even though they're noodles, and, I'm gonna try this egg. Oh my gosh. Whoa. It tastes like pineapple and mango. Oh, okay. I've never been a fan of mango, but it's actually not that bad. I'm gonna put my egg down. Our next thing is gummy shrimp. I am really scared for this. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Okay. I just lost my tooth. Okay. Shrimp time, baby. Oh, it's grapefruit. I've never been a big fan of grapefruit. It's not that bad though. Like, honestly, it's really good. Whoa. Very strong. But I definitely enjoyed that. That was interesting. It's like a tangy taste. Okay. Our next thing is the pepper. Now, I don't know what this is gonna be, but I hope it's not pepper flavored. Let's finish up the shrimp. Okay, let's try this pepper. Whoa. It tastes like a green apple. Or a lime. Oh, that's sour. It's lime. That's very good. Oh my god. I'm gonna chew this up. Our next item is the red chili. Oh no. Okay, well, I'm gonna try it. Oh, it's sour. Oh, it's really sour. Okay. That's really sour, and it's pomegranate, or something like that. It's really sour. Oh my god. That is extremely sour. Okay. Well, our next thing we're going to try is the red noodle. Let's try this red noodle. Oh, it's cherry. Cherry is quite delicious. Next up, yellow noodle. I'm a little scared to try this. Looks kind of evil, doesn't it? It's a mango noodle. They sure do love mango stuff. I might pass on the yellow noodles. I don't like the yellow noodles as much, but not bad. Okay, guys, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and tune into my next video, which is going to be trying ranch soda. And, I hope you enjoyed this taste testing video about candy. See you next time, and Gurmpol Patano.